Meaning of 50 pence.
50 pence.
50 pence.
50 pence.
50 pence. 50 pence is a British denomination of currency that is equal to half of £1 sterling. The coin features the image of the Queen on its obverse side, and various designs on its reverse side. It is commonly used in everyday transactions, particularly for small purchases such as snacks or bus fare. The value of 50 pence has fluctuated over time due to changes in the exchange rate between the pound sterling and other currencies. Overall, 50 pence is an important part of British currency that plays a significant role in daily commerce.